Hello people all over the world. Be careful. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th January. There's coming strong activation with this dark energy for this nuclear of atoms recycling. And 4th January, Saturn behind moon 1 hour. So Earth, Moon, Saturn line works very hard. And 5th January, there is same kind of line where is Earth, Moon and Neptune. These two lines together already works many times this 2024 ending. Then there was France, huge heavy rains and floods. And Valencia, huge heavy rains and floods. Malaga, huge heavy rains and floods. Wales, heavy rains and floods. And after that, 2 times snowstorm, very strong snowstorm, South Europe. And every time there was these lines, first Moon, Earth and Saturn, or Earth, Moon and Saturn. And after 1 day, Earth, Moon and Neptune, or Moon, Earth, Neptune. It's about a little bit under 2 weeks, and this cycle works again and again and again. And now, 4th January, Saturn 1 hour behind Moon. And this line, it's going to work very hard. There is very strong activation and heavy rains and floods or very strong snowstorms. So don't go to hiking like mountains, and check out these weather news very carefully what's going on. Yes. And Google Savorinen, Facebook or Uusi Suomi blogi, Jukka-Petteri Savorinen. Einstein was wrong with curving space. It is not space which play tricks. Center of nuclear of atoms, there is this kind of congestion areas, traffic areas, where expanding energy is more density. And these expanding traffic areas just recycling expanding energy and pushing each other's away, same way what they're expanding. So nuclear of atoms expanding and recycling expanding dark energy, which have a nature of electrons and photons, which also expanding. And that's the way it's going. These expanding galaxies was born very quickly centered to outside. First was born these expanding supermassive concentrations which own 3 dimensional